Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your PNC Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL pnc.com. Once you get into the website, click on the sign on button at the top right of the page. And then you'll have to enter some of your informations that you use to log into your PNC Bank account. So enter your user ID and password. So once you fill in all your informations, click on login in order to log into your PNC Bank account. Or if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on forgot ID or password. Or if you do not have an account, click on enroll in online banking. So there you have it. That's how you log into your PNC Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.